Hey everyone, Blake here again. Bet you weren't thinking you had to see me again, or maybe you were hoping you wouldn't have to see me again. Either way, I'm back, and this is Blake's Takes. This time on Blake's Takes, I want to talk to you about hub-centric wheel spacers for your guys' Corvette. Now, if you're already looking into wheel spacers, but you're kind of scared about how the outcome will be, or if your wheel's gonna fall off while you're going down the road, I'm here to put some of you at ease. So Blake's take on hub-centric wheel spacers is all about application. Finding the correct wheel spacer that fits your center bore correctly is one of the most important things. Because if the center bore is off, number one, if it's too small, it's not going to fit on there at all. And if it's too big, it allows that wheel spacer not to sit perfectly center right on there, which will cause vibration and for the wheel spacer to eventually break down, but you will feel the vibration far beyond that. So besides application, we want to talk about how you install it. That is also very, very important. You do not just slap it on there, hit it with the gun, a couple ugga-duggas, and say I'm good to go. You need to torque them to spec the same way you would torque your wheels. Not only that, in 50 to 100 miles, you need to take your wheels back off and re-torque them because they will loosen up. I've seen it happen. Cars come in. You can ask Andy if you see him about his wheel spacer experience and how he didn't tighten them up. Also, I want to talk about the type of wheel spacers to use. The slip-ons, they're okay. The bolt-ons is where you want to go. I think the smallest they started is at 1 inch. So if you're just looking for just a little bit, you can get it from the 1 inch. Other than that, one key tip is when you are putting your wheel spacer on, apply anti-seize to the backside of the wheel spacer, anywhere there's going to be metal on metal contact, because those will heat up and those will fuse to your hub or to your brake rotor, and you will not have a good day trying to get them off the next time you have to go change your rotors. So remember, application, the type you're going to put on, and those are the key things to correctly installing and having wheel spacers on your vehicle, and it won't cause any detrimental damage or catastrophic damage in the future while going down the road. I use them personally on my vehicles and I have no problems because I have installed them the correct way, and I also check them when I'm doing maintenance on my vehicle. So if you do want to put hub-centric wheel spacers on your car, feel free, but please do it the right way. Now remember to like, share, subscribe, comment. And this has been Blake's Takes again, and maybe again, I don't know. Ford Mustang. Hey everyone, Blake here again. I bet you weren't. I'm here to put some of you at. I'm here to put some of you to relief. No. On this Blake's, so this time on Blake's Takes, I'm going to be discussing hub-centric wheel spacers for your guys' Corvettes. Maybe you're looking to line up your wheels to your fender and get that nice little bit of slim line. I don't like that one. Slim line. So beyond, so again, application. Forget the second one. Application. What was the second one? And those are the biggest things that I can think of because I use hubs. And those are the key things to making sure when you place your. This has been Blake's Takes. Have a great one. 8 o'clock in the morning, I'm doing this.